As a homeowner in Pasadena, Texas, you're always looking for ways to enhance the comfort, value, and efficiency of your home. One of the most impactful and cost-effective upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. These windows not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also offer long-term benefits that can save you money, boost your property value, and increase the overall comfort of your living space. If you've been considering a window upgrade, here are several reasons why energy-efficient windows are worth the investment for Pasadena homes. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits of installing energy-efficient windows is the potential to significantly reduce your energy bills. In Pasadena, where the hot summers and mild winters can place heavy demands on your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during the summer and warmth inside during the winter. Energy-efficient windows are typically made with advanced materials, such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulating gas fills. These features reduce the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home, allowing your heating and cooling systems to work less hard and consume less energy. The result? Lower monthly utility bills, which can add up to substantial savings over time. Enhanced comfort year-round. Pasadena's climate can fluctuate between hot and humid summers and cooler, more temperate winters, making maintaining a consistent indoor temperature a challenge. Traditional windows with single panes or poor seals often result in drafty areas, which can cause discomfort in your home. Whether it's a cold draft in the winter or a stifling room during the summer, energy-efficient windows can help eliminate these temperature fluctuations. With multi-pane glass and well-insulated frames, energy-efficient windows create a more stable and comfortable environment inside your home. The improved insulation prevents the indoor air from escaping or letting outdoor air enter, which means your home will stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without overworking your HVAC system. This comfort is especially important if you spend a lot of time at home or have young children and elderly family members who may be more sensitive to temperature changes. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are a wise investment for homeowners in Pasadena looking to boost the value of their homes. As more homebuyers become environmentally conscious and look for ways to reduce their energy consumption, energy-efficient features like windows have become a selling point. Homes with energy-efficient windows are often seen as more modern, well-maintained, and cost-effective, making them more attractive to prospective buyers. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're adding an upgrade that can set your home apart in a competitive real estate market. Not only will you enjoy the benefits of lower energy costs and improved comfort, but you'll also have the potential to sell your home faster and at a higher price when the time comes. Protection from UV rays. In addition to improving energy efficiency, energy-efficient windows offer another valuable benefit: UV protection. The sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause significant damage to your furniture, flooring, artwork, and other valuables. Over time, UV rays can fade and weaken fabrics, wood, and even paint. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings are designed to block out a significant portion of these harmful UV rays, protecting your interiors from sun damage. This protection helps maintain the aesthetic appeal of your home's interiors and prolongs the lifespan of your belongings. For homeowners in Pasadena who value their investment in furnishings and decor, energy-efficient windows offer an extra layer of protection, ensuring that your home stays looking beautiful for years to come. Environmentally friendly choice. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, many homeowners are seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint, and energy-efficient windows are a great step in that direction. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, energy-efficient windows help lower your overall energy consumption. This reduction in energy usage not only cuts your utility bills but also reduces your reliance on fossil fuels, which in turn decreases your home's environmental impact. Pasadena residents who are looking to make a positive impact on the environment will appreciate that installing energy-efficient windows is an easy and effective way to live more sustainably. Whether it's through the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions or minimizing your home's overall energy footprint, choosing energy-efficient windows is a responsible and eco-friendly choice. Noise reduction. Another benefit of energy-efficient windows that Pasadena homeowners may not immediately consider is their ability to reduce noise pollution. Whether you live near a busy street, a park, or a commercial area, outside noise can be a constant nuisance. The multi-pane design of energy-efficient windows acts as a barrier, absorbing and deflecting noise before it enters your home. If you're someone who values peace and quiet, particularly in your bedrooms or home office, installing energy-efficient windows can significantly improve your quality of life. The reduction in outside noise means you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment, whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping. Durability and long-term saving. Energy-efficient windows are typically built with high-quality materials that not only perform better but also last longer than traditional windows. Many energy-efficient windows come with warranties that offer peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected for years to come. In the long run, the durability of energy-efficient windows means fewer replacements or repairs compared to older, inefficient windows that may crack, fade, or warp over time. This long-term reliability ensures that you're getting value for your investment while enjoying consistent performance year after year. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're an investment in the comfort, value, and sustainability of your Pasadena home. From lowering your energy bills to enhancing the comfort of your living space and increasing your home's value, the benefits of energy-efficient windows are clear. By choosing to install these windows, you're not only improving your quality of life but also making a responsible, eco-friendly decision that will save you money and protect your home for years to come. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's aesthetics or reduce your environmental impact, energy-efficient windows are a smart choice for Pasadena homeowners.